Alright, this is going to be basic lower controls and maintenance of the Nifty lift. First of all, always open this door, and we always unplug this disconnect, the power disconnect, so we don't drain our battery. Then you put it on the lower control, lower basket. Hit the glow plugs. Get started. Now before we use this, we want to make sure it's greased up. This thing doesn't really use real grease for whatever reason, I guess for cost. You want to use dry lube. So you go around all these little joints. Every single one. They're all over the basket. Up here. They're on the outriggers. Right here. And anywhere that is a moving piece. So all this stuff here. These outriggers, here. Up in here. There. Here. So now, make sure it's full of fluids. This is where you fill the diesel, either at the pump or with one of these cans. Take this cap off. And this is where you fill the hydraulic fluid. You can see the gauge right here. And the gauge for the diesel. The gauge for the diesel isn't very good. But if it's full, it's full. This is the hydraulic fluid we use. 46 weight ashless. And then make sure this is obviously clean, all this dirt and all this crap. Wipe around here before you put it in. Now we want to switch to the upper controls. See, lower, upper, and do this pretty quick. And you always want to make sure that that upper control is on. I'll show you. Just close this. You'll see where it's on right here. That's on. Now you can move the basket up just like this. Just, you know, getting it off a trailer, on a trailer, or whatever. Right now we want to loop the boom. So we're going to put the outriggers down so we can extend the boom out. You can put this on high throttle. So you can see here, we have two bubbles set up there, and you want to make sure they're level. This way, and front and backs, obviously. Turn it back on from the basket. It's on high throttle still, so we're gonna boom all the way out with this right here. And these all are your upper controls. So when you're actually using this, you obviously want to make sure this first thing you do is this both booms together to get it off the sensor, get it up in the air. You're shutting it down for the day, find this or just put it back over it. Switch it down to the lower controls. Turn it off and pull the disconnect.